Hi all, thought I'd play a game in the afternoon today. Hope you're enjoying the weather. I think it's only going to get better, at least in the UK. I think we're looking to about 20s next week, according to my iPhone, 21, 22. Colder at night, of course. Okay, Apteryx or something. Play Sicilian. Try and create some variety. I used to play Sveshnikov. I'll play it now here, see how much he knows, see how much I know. Okay, so that line. I think F5 is okay. Might be threatening A4 after knight C2. So rook B8, I think. Oh! Okay. I think I'll just castle. I'll give that miss. Taking on B5. I mean, I'll just trust him. I just want to take in and play F5. If that's probably an innovation because he's got knight C7. Okay. If it's innovation, it's innovation. But if he takes on E6, though, my D5 is not as bad. And if he has to move that knight, say to B5, I can just take it. So ignorance is bliss sometimes, but that looks like an annoying move. Can I just, I don't know, can I just play bishop d7? Or is rook takes c7 better? Oh, rook takes, just get massive pawns, lose the exchange. Or will I get mated because of queen h5 soon? Takes. Okay, actually here, bishop c8, there's knight d5. Can't see anything else. Bishop takes f5. Bishop takes f5. Bishop takes f5. Queen takes. Queen h5, h6. Bishop takes f5. Knight takes a6. e4. How many pawns am I down now? 5, 3, 4, 6. Just go with central pawns. Getting d5 and e4, knight e5. Am I getting it mated? I've got rook f6 and then queen h7. I can just get in d5 and e4. Got queen g6 now, e4. Doesn't matter about a6. Just want to get to his king. e4, rook f5, knight e5, knight f3, that sort of stuff. And he's got bishop g4. Don't want to lose e6 as well. I'll just take on g4. He's got f4 first. I don't really want to take on f3. I like this pawn here. So I'll probably end up losing e6. It's knight g6, bishop g4, knight f4, rook f4. Let's try knight g6. Attacking f4. Yeah. Okay. Can I protect c6? Get on this diagonal. I think queen c6. So bishop g4, rook f6. So I might be threatening d4 and e3 in some lines. So I want to play like a5 to a3, so not mind c3. Oh god. Takes an f5. Good stuff. Or is it? Don't want to allow that, because when I take on g6, well, otherwise, I don't know, if king h7, f5 anyway. I'm getting d4 though at some point. King h7, f5, knight e5, or even bishop f5. Knight e5, is the bishop kind of blocked? Probably. And I've got knight d3, d4. Okay, okay. give him that pawn. So f5 knight e5, trying to provoke, give me a strong knight basically on e5. Come to d3 and maybe play d4. So e3 actually threatens e2. Oh god, what did I do that for? Alright, queen b5. So threatening e2 and queen b2. Stop both probably. I've got rook d6 is annoying and pin. Rook d6, so rook e1, rook d6. Bishop f3. Rook takes d1. Or even bishop e4. Or even bishop g8. Ouch. Okay. Knight e7 is bishop g8. Queen c5. Protecting d6. Okay. I don't know, it's all gone a bit gone. It's the operative word. I don't know. Pawn to a3. With bishop g8 as well. Bishop g8 just winning the exchange. Shame. I didn't play it. Why is bishop e4 is going to kill it? So still gone. Ouch. Sorry guys. Oh dear, I thought I had some conversation somewhere, but it wasn't enough. Yeah. Trying to drum up some counterplay. Good for a while. Started to go really pear-shaped here. It's bishop e6. Losing d5 was a tragic thing. Let's play d4. I don't know, it's probably lost. So maybe I should have just taken an e6 and would have been better. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.